This is the DJI Action 5 Pro, and in 2025 this has been a much talked about camera. I'm going to show you where everything is, how to set it up. If you just got one of these DJI Action cameras, then this video is for you. So let's go over all the external features of this camera. Right here you've got your charging door. This is your USB-C. You can also attach mic accessories to this, so like your DJI Mic 2 or your Mic Mini receiver can plug into here. You just remove this door, you just kind of slip it out at an angle. I don't know if you can see that little clip right there. It will just pop off kind of at a downward angle like this. That will allow you to attach accessories, mic accessories, and use those with your Action 5 Pro. So already pulling pieces off of it right here at the beginning. Don't be afraid to pop that door off. It will just pop right back on, just like that. Over here on the other side, this battery door will open up to your battery. Over here, you've got the camera battery, which will stick in with the terminals to the bottom of the camera. So if you open up this door, just make sure your terminals are at the bottom. You'll see down in there that the contacts are down at the bottom, and you'll just slip your battery in, and that's how you will change out batteries. If you got the Adventure combo, it comes with 3 batteries. You'll be able to switch batteries out and film for super long time. In here is also the SD card. This is a micro SD. You'll need to get the correct SD card for this. I use a SanDisk Extreme 64 gigabyte A2 V30. This is going to give you good results for filming in higher frame rates and shooting in 4K using an Extreme card, which is going to be a faster read and write speeds. And that just slips in there and clicks in when you press it in. If you have a hard time getting this, you don't have good fingernail or anything to get in there with, you can use like a coin or something to press on that SD card to get it to unlatch. So that is your battery door. You've got your SD card, your memory card in there. You've got a back screen, you've got a front screen, you've got this lens right here, which you can get indies that slip right over this lens. This lens is replaceable. It will just unscrew. It might be really hard to get this lens off if it's your first time changing the lens out, because they put these on pretty tight. So you may need to use a gripper or something to get that lens off, but they are replaceable. If you damage your lens, you can get those replaced. Up here you've got a speaker. This is where you're going to review footage. You'll hear the sound out of here. We've also got microphones up here in the front, and then your attachments down here will just clip onto the camera. So let's get this thing powered on. Over here is the quick shot button as well as the power button. You will press and hold this button to power the camera on. Up here is the record button, shutter button. This button is the one you will use for starting your recordings and taking pictures. So we'll press and hold our power button, and the camera is going to power on. If it's your first time powering the camera on, you may need to connect to the DJI Mimo app to update the camera, update firmware and software. It also allows you to connect to your DJI account and transfer and edit, share files straight from your camera to your phone through the DJI Mimo app. Attachments for multiple ways to mount this camera is the cool thing about these little action cameras. You can mount these to anywhere, almost anything. Tripods, suction mounts, magnet mounts, sticker mounts, cage mounts. Will also let you mount them vertically. If you have a cage, it has the vertical mount, so you can mount this horizontally or vertically depending on what type of footage you're doing. The shutter button up here is just like any other camera. You'll press that once to start recording, and you'll press it again to stop. If you are in photo mode, it will be like your shutter button for taking photos. Just like that, you've got a photo. So similar to every other camera. It has OLED screens front and back, so very good, easy visibility in daylight. Very easy to use, very easy to see and operate. You can swipe from any of the 4 sides of the screen to access all of your settings. From down here, you will get your camera options, your settings here, what field of view you want to use. From over here, tapping in the corner, you can get different modes: night mode, subject tracking, slow motion, time lapse, hyperlapse, all of those down here on this side. Swiping from the side, you can also get that option. Tapping over here, you get your previous videos that you have shot. Swiping down from the top will give you the camera settings and the menu and everything. You can adjust your time, your voice control, your display, timer, all the different settings for your camera are up there. Swiping over from these settings is how you will get to your storage, whether you want it to film and record that storage to the camera or to your SD card. And this is also how you will format the card. Tap the storage button and you can format either one over here. You also have the brightness, you have different quick shot modes you can select to show up, and you have custom profiles that you can set this camera. You can set the orientation lock so it won't change vertically, horizontally, whichever way you're holding the camera, it will just lock that in. From over here, you have all your exposure settings, your color settings, white balance, your stabilization settings, and your microphone settings all over here in pro mode and in just daily mode. So you will set all of those right here, whether using auto or manual. Hope this video was helpful in showing you all about the Action 5 Pro, where everything is, how to get to the settings and all of that, how to operate this camera. Again, everything is able to be changed on the front screen as well as the rear screen. So you have full functionality using both screens on this camera. Hope this video was helpful. Be sure to smash that like button down below. Subscribe if you found it helpful, and I'll see you in this video next.